We get a lot of questions about the Assign box in Canvas, possibly because it's one of the most powerful features of the system, and you can do a lot with it. The available from and until dates indicate the window during which students can complete the assignment. Before the from date, students can only see the assignment name and general details. They cannot see the full prompt yet or actually submit. After the until date, the student is no longer allowed to submit. If the assignment was an in-progress quiz, it is submitted with the work they had completed to that point. While all dates are optional, we recommend filling out at least the due date. We've heard a lot of feedback from students that they rely on the Canvas calendars, and the due date is what appears on the course calendar. A student can still submit after the due date, but it is flagged as late. If you do not want to accept late submissions, make sure the until date matches the due date.